How's it going today? It is October 21st and it is 5:08 p.m. It's your boy Grover back at it with the end of the day review. Hope you guys had a fantastic day. I know I did. I also know I called it quits early and I was done just at 10:30. And my. I wish I had stayed. It was a beautiful, beautiful trend all day long. And let's take a look at what had happened. So, if you remember, I had drawn out these June lows in yesterday's video. Alright, yesterday's video we drew out the June lows. And what happened today? Let's take a look. In pre-market, we got a nice bounce off those June lows. Beautiful, beautiful bounce. Keeping in mind today's OPEX, there was a lot of volatility that came in. We got this great bounce right to that 36.80 level, which was from the last couple days. As you can see, it was holding as support. Okay, and we did get a pullback. Then the market opened. Let's take a look. We had a lot of chop during that market open. All right, market open. We weren't clear of direction. We didn't know what was going to happen. And then boom, the next candle comes in. We break that consolidation high and we go right to that 36.80. What happens next is even more beautiful. We break above, we base on that 36.80, and we rip. All right? We rip, absolutely. We go up to 37.25. And now we start to see some weakness, pulls back, okay? I was out at these highs. That was my trade. That was the only trade I had, okay? I was out. But I was still messaging in chat as it was pulling back. 36.80 is the level to look out for. That is the next pullback zone. That is a level we need to see. Why am I picking 36.80? Well, you see, there were a lot of opportunities for this to break, and it didn't. It held as a very strong level. It broke below. It then became resistance. Okay, so this is clearly a very strong key level to look out for, and that is why I had 36.80 as the level to look out for. At this level, we get another beautiful bounce. All right, 3,700 hits. One of the buddies was saying, hey, what's going to happen here? I said, hey, we want to see 3,700 hold. What happened here? 3,700 held, and it went even higher. All right, now this pretty much, at this point, I'm done. Like, I'm not even looking at the markets anymore. I've closed out my charts. I am done trading for the day. My target for this run was 37.48. Okay, in this case, 37.46. So 37.48, and there's a reason for that as well. Okay, 37.48 was the level that we had these highs go up to, and then even yesterday at 10:30, that is where we reversed from. Okay, so this 37.48, this is where I expected the market to go next. Obviously, the rip was much higher, but we'll get into that in just a second. Okay, look at this level, 37.46, 37.48, that area, okay? Very, very important and critical level. Okay? That is why I really wanted this level to hold. And so 37.48 was my next target. We did get a pullback around that area. It actually went a little bit higher up to about 37.53 after initially rejecting it, but it did go a little bit higher. And then it came back down, started holding some more support, and then the end of day rally was just beautiful. All right, I'm going to go into the larger time frames now. Let's take a look at what's happening here. Okay, we got this beautiful, beautiful run up, which was sold into, another beautiful run up, which was sold into. But what is happening? We are forming higher lows. Okay, we're still forming higher lows with the ultimate goal of hitting this area here. And I'm going to go into my regular chart. Okay, we are looking for this upper zone here. Actually, you know what? That chart's very crowded. I'm going to draw this out again. We are aiming for these highs. Okay? These highs. We had one rejection, two rejections, and now this is where I'm looking to see it go again. If we are able to break this area, I am switching my bias to bullish in the market. Overall. Okay? This is the area. As of right now, we haven't broken this yet, so I cannot switch that bias. If this area is to break, the next level to look out for is this guy right up here. If we can break above this 3,800, I heavily suspect we will get to 3,900. All right. The other thing we're looking at is on the daily. This is looking like a beautiful ABCD extended, right? But essentially, we are looking at a move from here to here. Went a little bit higher. Okay, here to here, all the way back. That's a pullback, and now we're looking to break. So, my thoughts for Monday: if we can break this 37.75, we should most likely be able to get to this 3,800. Okay, 3,800, and then the next level above that we are eyeing is 3,900. Obviously, there's some supply, previous demand turned supply to get through. We have these levels way back from May, right, which should have been cleared by now, but if not, we still have some supply here. So that is the next level I'm looking at. Let's take a look at NAS. How's NAS doing? Our boy NAS is just as strong, if not stronger. It's actually already cleared those highs and literally going for the next level, 11,378 there. And the next level we want to see this be able to get to is, as mentioned earlier, this 11,575 to 11,600 mark. That is the next level. Okay, this is still the level I want to see reject. So essentially, what I am looking at as the range from here all the way to here. Okay, this is the range I want to see, and then based on if it breaks here or if it breaks here, I'll know which direction the market has chosen to go. As of right now, it is in this range for me, and I am just playing the intraday movements within that range. The other big thing to note, it wasn't just OPEX. Today was not just OPEX. Today was a big day for USD JPY. What did I say yesterday in the video? I said 150 is a very big psych level. All right? 150 is a very big psych level. And as we popped above, and we rejected. And we rejected hard. I didn't expect to reject this hard, but I did say we needed a pullback. It's a big level, and we needed a pullback. All right? And we are getting that. The market gave us that today. And this is one of those things which really helps us ease our minds, right? Everyone was worried about Bank of Japan, what's going to happen. Obviously, they have a lot of Forex risk. Well, this brings us a little bit of ease. And the other thing to note here is look at these volume sticks, right? Clearly, there was some resistance up here. I don't know. I don't typically trade Forex. I don't know if the price has ever been up here before. And will you look at that? I should have done this before. But look at this. Look at the level where it rejected off of. You have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, and this is now the 4th. I didn't even look at that. And I just know from a psych level perspective, 150 is a big level. And so far, we are looking at a pretty decent reject on volume. So this is some good news. Obviously, it helped fuel the markets today alongside technicals. And actually, one more thing that I want to mention here on ES. Oh, I'm on the wrong ES. One more thing I want to mention is if I go back to the 1 hour, looking back at the technicals, this is the level I wanted to see hold. And we got that today. All right, so levels are very, very important, guys. Map them out. And, if you can find them on a bigger time frame, the better it is. These levels are really going to be your key saviors. And if you are a new trader and you are mapping your levels out on the larger time frames, okay, you start to see a bounce on that level off of a larger time frame, chances are it's going to be a bigger bounce. And you could literally just play those bounces to grow your account on a smaller time frame. And that's pretty much all I have for today, guys. I'm not going to go ahead and review VIX. I'm not going to go ahead and review anything else. I will have a much better and more detailed video for you guys on Sunday when we do our pre-week review. Hope you guys had a fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Deuces.